Imagine you're working on a project and encounter a problem with transitioning to a new system smoothly. You need to find a way to redirect assignments to the internal structure of class without altering the calling code. This tricky situation requires a clever solution to reroute those assignments seamlessly. The solution to our problem lies in utilizing aliases to make $appername a proxy for $apperdynamicum. By incorporating the code snippet, use experimental QW, refaliasing, $appername equals $apperdynamicum, we can elegantly sidestep the issue and achieve the desired functionality. This approach eliminates the need for variable magic and ensures a clean and efficient solution. Further enhancing our approach, we can also leverage data alias to establish the necessary alias relationship. By introducing the line, use data alias QW, alias $appername equals $apperdynamicum, we reinforce the seamless connection between the variables and avoid the pitfalls associated with variable magic. This straightforward yet effective method streamlines the assignment process and minimizes complexity in handling internal data structures. In summary, by employing aliases creatively, we've tackled the challenge of rerouting object assignments without directly modifying the calling code. This smart solution not only resolves the issue at hand, but also offers a cleaner and more efficient alternative to variable magic. So, next time you encounter a similar problem, remember the power of aliases in simplifying your code. Stay sharp, subscribe for more content, like if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. See you next time.